Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Second video as usual, guys, will be on the gold market, and the situation on the gold market right now looks very attractive. So its market shows rather good performance. So major driving factors, of course, the commodity prices, some soft recent data in the United States, and its market participants right now are not very sure that the strength, the pace of the rate increasing will be the same in 2018, and that support the action and commodities across the board. So you probably know about the copper prices that sit at 4 years top, and the crude oil that we have talked about just recently. As gold market is not an exception, its upward action looks really strong. So what we could get in the nearest future, detailed information on the longer time frame, we will take a look at the weekly research, guys, but the major pattern that is forming there, we have talked about it already. This is the bullish grabber on the monthly chart. And since there are just 2 sessions till the closing of the year and the month, probably it will be formed. The grabber on the monthly chart is just the action above the 1350 area. So it should take it out of this step, if of course it will work. But taking into consideration recent action, it's very probable. Still, overall price behavior here, guys, looks interesting. Despite this rally, and at first glance you could think that, well, we have missed this opportunity to take the long position. What we do right now? Take just close look at this, guys. Market here could form reverse hand shoulders pattern. I think that within the few sessions some retracement should start. I don't know what precisely at what point it will start, but I think that probably it should happen somewhere below the 13 even area. Maybe 1294, 1298. It's very probable. Just to keep the harmony, and also market right now is approaching to monthly pivot resistance one. It's maybe before the New Year holiday retracement will start. It is possible. Retracement probably will be rather deep. So somewhere to, as you can see, the harmony of these bottoms is 1263, ticks 1265, somewhere into this area. And here, guys, a lot of patterns could be formed. First of all, take a look that this rally up on the daily chart looks attractive, and actually it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sessions, and will be maybe even will be more to the upside. This small rally, guys, is suitable for Napoli bread and butter trade. So we will see the drop to the 30% retracement. This could be traded with the scalp long trade with the possible upward bounce. So this will be background for Napoli bread and butter. This is first opportunity. Second opportunity, when the market, and if market will go further to the downside, this of course will be a major long entry opportunity with the possible hand shoulder. So it's left shoulder, hand, right shoulder, and the bottom of the right shoulder. We could try to take the long position. Maybe even the right shoulder will take the shape of some kind of the guarded triple to buy if we will get some ABCD action to the downside. So that's the patterns that we should keep an eye on. Then potentially, as the hand shoulders will start, we could start to watch for A, B, C, bottom, D pattern based on the hand shoulders, and then gradually turn to the monthly grabber. So it's always a very good combination when you have a lot of different patterns on the market and on the different time scales, and that lets you to trade it for a considerable period of time interruptedly, and it's really very good. So right now, guys, we are coming to the first step of the potential trading plans. We need to see the market will hit some resistance. It's considered over bot, monthly pivot resistance one, so some kind of natural support resistance, 50% level of this drop. So maybe some retracement will be triggered. At least the shape of this pattern and our suggestion and hand shoulders could be formed suggest that also could be some retracement. Also, guys, In fact, this action, if you will increase the scale, reminds bullish engulfing, right? And after bullish engulfing will be formed, in the most cases, some minor retracement back inside of the body of the engulfing appears. So that's what we are watching for in the gold market right now. So don't be upset that you have missed the opportunity to go long with this rally. So maybe you will get the position even better price. So it's not time yet to regret about it. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, market has passed through all ABCDs that could be built on the intraday chart. Now on the 4-hour time frame chart, we just could keep an eye on the possible targets of retracement. So these levels, guys, are based on this focus level. So they are based not on the current top, but in the suggestion that market will reach 1298 area. I have chosen this level because it coincides with this top, and somewhere a neckline should be in this area. So when the retracement indeed will start, so these levels could be a bit different, but that will not change the overall idea. So what levels will we have? We have 1283 probably will be too close, too small retracement, because we need to get some bottom around the bottom of the potential left shoulder, right? So it will be somewhere around 1265 probably. On the way down, market probably will move to 1280 because this is disrespected daily confidence resistance. So just take a look how market has passed through it. Even gap has not been closed. Market has passed through the confidence resistance does not exist. This just indicates the strength of the market, but very often on the downward action, market retests the disrespected confidence areas. This happens very often. So it means that retracement probably will be at least to 1275 because on retesting of the confidence, probably gap also will be closed. So I think that the first level that we could watch for will be 1275. Potentially, it could be $10 lower just because the harmonic level of the potential left shoulder. So to keep the harmony of this pattern, market could show retracement latitude 1265, but the but the minimum level of the retracement probably will be 1275. That's what we see right now on the gold market. On the hourly chart, guys, nothing to watch for right now, so we can suggest upward action. Our XOP target has been exceeded, so nothing to watch for. If you're a scalp trader, you potentially could watch for some reversal patterns around 1298 area just to take the scalp short position. This is also possible. But currently, we don't have anything. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, finally, it's another minor opportunity for trading could exist because the final part of this rally is also could be treated as the separate rally. And if you do not trade on the daily chart, it's too big scale for you. You could watch for this minor rally because this rally is also suitable for the Jordan applications, and maybe on the top could be formed some kind of for example, double repo sell or minor brand body could be formed. It's also possible. So you can see gold market right now is full of the different patterns as nested dolls. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have minor rally. Later we could turn to rally on the daily chart and trade this potential Jordan apple patterns. After that, this could become hand shoulders, and after that, we could get ABCD based on hand shoulders and monthly grabber. So a lot of opportunities should be formed in the nearest future. So let's keep watching. On the gold market, it provides us long-term trading plan that could last for months, probably here. A lot of opportunities for trading could be formed here.